Hello friends, I am Tushar and currently I am pursuing BA LLB from GCCLC Kolkata, and currently I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company law firm. So today I am going to discuss about a very important judgment which will affect at very much dowry cases and the domestic violence cases in India. So what is the judgment? The judgment is from Rajasthan High Court, which genuinely has a great number of judges, very good judges and very great head personalities is in its bar. So what is the judgment and what are the allegations? I will totally cover this judgment. So basically, not proper to prosecute. What the court said is that not proper to prosecute in-laws if they don't reside with couple. Focus on allegations of on husband. Rajasthan High Court said that if the couple was not residing with the in-laws and the focus of the allegations was upon the husband only, then it would not be proper to prosecute such family members. The court reiterated. So what happened? The Rajasthan High Court recently caused an FIR against the parents-in-law in a case of alleged dowry harassment and among other allegations, opening that it was a clear case of over implication given to the laws or did not ordinarily reside with the estranged couple. So what is the name of the case? The name of the case is Komal Narang versus State of Rajasthan. In doing so, Justice Pushpendra Singh Bhati placed substantial reliance in Rajasthan High Court ruling in Hari Om Sharma and others versus State of Rajasthan and ANR. So basically, the justice was Hari Om Sharma, and he, while doing this ruling, he referred to Rajasthan High Court ruling, which is Hari Om Sharma and others versus State of Rajasthan and ANR. In this said case, the High Court has observed that it is not uncommon to implicate all immediate relations of the husband in the matrimonial cases. So basically, the court has said that it is common that the lawyers generally implicate all immediate relations of husband and in the matrimonial cases. Justice Bhati went on to recount that Hari Ram Sharma's case. In Hari Ram Sharma's case, the court concluded that. So there was another case, which is Hari Ram Sharma case. In that case, the court concluded that if the couple was not residing with the in-laws and the focus of the allegations was upon the husband only, then it would not be proper to prosecute such family members like the in-laws. So in the case before Justice Bhati, the couple had moved to Bangkok. So the couple have moved to Bangkok and stayed there after the marriage. So they married and they moved to Bangkok. And wife has visited her in-laws from time to time. Wife visited our country time to time, but only stayed with them and for a few days. Is the court was told. In 2019, the wife has also invited her in-laws to Bangkok. Months before, an FIR was lodged citing that at sections 406 is punishment for criminal breach of trust, section 498A, cruelty to women, 313 punishment for or causing miscarriage, and 337 unnatural offences of IPC. So basically these are the sections which are mentioned in the FIR, and all after factoring in certain WhatsApp conversations as well. So basically the court observed certain WhatsApp conversations. The judge concluded that the retrospective allegations against the in-laws was only cropped up after the matrimonial disharmony between the estranged wife and husband. So there was a matrimonial disharmony between the estranged wife and husband, and the retrospective allegations to the in-laws only cropped up after. So these retrospective allegations only cropped up after this matrimonial disharmony. The judge noted that the allegation against the in-laws were that they turned the wife out of their house, and they included the wife into the marriage on wrongful act, and thereafter kept on making demands of dowry. So these are the allegations against the in-laws. However, these allegations are very vague. So these allegations, the High Court noted that these allegations are vague, since no specific incident was mentioned in the FIR, no specific. So this is a very very big learning for all the advocates who are watching this video, that we have to mention some specific events so that our incident look real. If it was real, then it is real, then we have to mention it. In this backdrop, the court went to conclude that the implication to the old aged in-laws was by the present complainant wife is nothing but an expansion of a matrimonial dispute with an ulterior motive to exert unnecessary pressure upon them. So the court noted that this was done in ulterior motive by the wife, if to to prosecute their old aged in-laws, was with expansion, and it is just an expansion of a matrimonial dispute to exert unnecessary pressure upon them. Even if the complainant was taken on face value, it indicates that the complainant wife never resided with her in-law, and except for short visits, the judge observed that. So basically, the court has ruled this, and it is a very remarkable judgment. So thank you guys. This is all. This is Tushar just signing off.